HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of the web. It's the language that web browsers understand and use to display websites. Without HTML, the internet as we know it wouldn't exist. Every website you visit, from simple blogs to complex web applications, is built using HTML. Imagine HTML as the skeleton of a website. It provides the basic structure and organization of content. Just like a skeleton determines the shape of a body, HTML determines the layout and presentation of a web page. It tells the browser where headings go, how paragraphs are arranged, and where images and links should appear. Learning HTML is the first step towards becoming a web developer. It's a surprisingly simple language to learn, even for beginners with no coding experience. With a basic understanding of HTML, you can start creating your own web pages and bringing your ideas to life online. HTML is made up of elements, which are represented by tags. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets like this. They tell the browser how to display the content within them. For example, the tag indicates a paragraph of text. Most HTML tags come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. The opening tag marks the beginning of an element, and the closing tag marks its end. For instance, a paragraph is enclosed between and tags. The content between these tags is what the browser will display as a paragraph. Understanding HTML tags is crucial because they dictate how your web page is structured and presented. By learning different tags and how to use them, you gain control over the layout and appearance of your content. Every HTML document follows a basic structure. It starts with a declaration, which tells the browser what version of HTML is being used. Then comes the tag, which encompasses the entire document. Inside the tag, we have two main sections, and. The section contains metadata about the document, such as the title that appears in the Browser tab. The section contains the actual content that is displayed on the web page. This structure is essential for ensuring that your web page is rendered correctly by browsers. It provides a clear hierarchy and organization, making it easy for browsers to understand and display your content. Headings and paragraphs are fundamental building blocks of any web page. Headings, denoted by two tags, indicate the importance of text, with being the most important and the least. Paragraphs enclosed in tags represent blocks of text. Headings provide visual hierarchy and structure to your content. They help users quickly scan and understand the main points of your page. Paragraphs break up large chunks of text into digestible units, improving readability. By using headings and paragraphs effectively, you can create well-organized and visually appealing web pages that are easy for users to navigate and understand. Links and images are essential for creating engaging and informative web pages. Links, created using the tag, allow users to navigate to other web pages or resources. Images, embedded using the tag, bring visual content to your pages. Links connect your web pages to other parts of the internet, creating a web of information. They allow users to easily jump between pages and explore different topics. Images enhance the visual appeal of your pages and can be used to convey information more effectively than text alone. These tags are crucial for creating a dynamic and interconnected web experience. They allow users to explore different parts of your website and the wider internet, enhancing the functionality and richness of your web pages. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is used to style the appearance of HTML elements. It allows you to control things like colors, fonts, sizes, and spacing. CSS is written in a separate file or within the tag in the of your HTML document. CSS works by associating style rules with HTML elements. You can target specific elements by their tag name, class, or ID. For example, to make all paragraphs red, you could use the rule. Adding CSS to your HTML brings your web pages to life. It allows you to customize the look and feel of your content, creating a visually pleasing and engaging user experience. HTML tags can have attributes, which provide additional information about the element. Attributes are added within the opening tag and follow a key value format. For example, the tag has an attribute that specifies the URL of the image. Attributes allow you to fine-tune the behavior and appearance of HTML elements. For instance, the attribute allows you to group elements for styling with CSS. while the attribute provides a unique identifier for an element. Understanding and utilizing attributes effectively unlocks the full potential of HTML. Attributes provide a powerful mechanism for customizing elements and tailoring their functionality to your specific needs. Starting with HTML can seem daunting, but it's easier than you might think. Here are a few tips to make your journey smoother. 1. Start with a good text editor. A good text editor like Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code can make writing HTML much easier. 2. Use a code validator. Online code validators can help you catch errors in your HTML code. 3. Practice regularly. The more you practice writing HTML, the more comfortable you'll become. Remember, learning HTML is a journey, and it takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The web development community is vast and supportive, so don't hesitate to seek help and advice when needed. The internet is a treasure trove of resources for learning HTML. Websites like W3 Schools, Mozilla Developer Network, MDN, and Code Academy offer comprehensive tutorials, documentation, and interactive exercises. These resources cater to different learning styles and levels of experience. Whether you prefer reading tutorials, watching videos, or completing interactive coding challenges, you're sure to find something that suits your needs. The key is to explore different resources and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different learning methods and find what keeps you engaged and motivated. Mastering HTML is the first step towards creating your own space on the web. With a solid understanding of HTML, you can build websites, share your ideas, and connect with others online. The possibilities are endless. As you continue your journey into web development, remember that HTML is a constantly evolving language. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the ever-changing landscape of the web. The skills you acquire today will serve you well in the years to come. So go forth and build something amazing. The web is your canvas, and HTML is your paintbrush.